Are you sick of the potholes in your gravel driveway or parking lot? Then the Gravel Doctor service is for you. The Gravel Doctor is the sensible solution to pothole problems. The Gravel Doctor can recycle your existing material. The Gravel Doctor will scarify and remix, then grade and compact, giving you a surface that will outlast any other method. If you don't have enough material, no problem. The Gravel Doctor can supply the right material for you. The Gravel Doctor will give you an estimate over the internet and then attend your site to verify the price with a written estimate. So call the Gravel Doctor today. It's the sensible thing to do.